In this video, we're going to be doing a bunch of little random things in order to push the game towards a little bit more of a playable state. If you're new around here, what's going on? My name's Randy and I'm building a survival craft game from scratch in Jai. I've made it sound like there's something more I need to say here, but I really don't. Let's just get to work. Coffee is at the ready. Oh, life's good. Zen mode in. Let's rock and roll. Okay, so the idea of this base stone that you place down at the start of the game, this is like your respawn point. So whenever this is alive, you can respawn again. That's essentially the thing that you're trying to defend when you go out and kill monsters. Because if you don't have a respawn point and you die, uh-oh. So let's just get that respawn point working to begin with, I guess. Right now it's not working. Alright, so we're dead. Now what? Please, come on. Yes. Okay, that works. It's kind of butthole clenching. I like it. Alright, now what happens if there is none and we die? Alright, we got a game loop. Well, that was easy. Good job, boys. Video over. Nah, I'm just kidding. I got you. Oh man, I'm in such a fucking good mood today. Always good when that happens. So I guess today is really gonna be all about just a bunch of little things to get the game back in a playable state. Like there's just a bunch of really small things that'll just add up to the game being playable, I guess. For starters, that tree's kind of broken. It's not rotating down because of the new rendering thing that I did yesterday. So we're gonna fix that real quick. Like, I guess we'll literally just put a rotation in here. Call it a day. Hello! Chuck that in there. There we go, we're back. We're so back. Hey lads, guess what? At the end of January, I'm moving to Melbourne. So if you're a game dev there and looking for some housemates, we're gonna get a big house, sprinkle a bunch of devs in there. The living room is basically just gonna be Silicon Valley. So if you're keen for that, fucking send me an email, mate. contact@randy.gg. That's all I gotta say. Back to the bid. Now I just basically need to get the same thing working with these stone trees, because they're not sharing a path at the moment. Oh wow, I just realized that was my first successful precise line movement. Because you can see down here that these line numbers are relative, right? So I was up here and I was like, okay, I need to go down here. So then I just typed in 16 down and then just fucking banged it out. Oh damn, look at the action replay on that bad boy. They call me Vim Diesel. That actually felt really good. I tell you what though, I'm still completely fucking hopeless when it comes to copying and pasting. I'm trying to paste something that I yanked, but in between the paste, I deleted something, and then that's put that delete into the default yank register, or whatever the fuck it is. And now it's like, I can't paste. So for all you Vim chads out there, how do you get around that? I know there's like other registers that you can yank to, but that seems like a lot of work. Like maybe there's some kind of shortcut I can do with the Lydia key or something? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I just had a great idea for a movie. Protagonist starts using Vim, gets stuck inside the editor and can't leave. Oh no, how do I leave? Trapped there for the rest of his life. Is forced to do nothing but program forever. Finn. Bro, imagine how productive you'd be if you just got trapped inside Vim forever. Oh, now we're talking. Game's almost playable. I can taste it. By the way, if you'd like to support me and the grindage on the game, then the best way of doing that is by becoming a member on Patreon. Just click the link down in the description and there'll be some more info over there. What else do we need? Right, I guess we need repairability on the base stone. Like right now, it's only got one hit left, but you know, we can't see it, nor can we repair it, so let's fix that. So I think if we literally just add those two props, then like, it'll just work. I mean, if the fucking slime could hit it. I mean, we got the health bar, we got the two things. Oh my god, that just works. It's just gonna keep hopping over it. Alright, that's a problem. How do I fix that? I guess the simplest way is to just make it bigger. Like that? Now it can't jump. Yeah, that solves the problem, I guess. So now we want to fix the situation of basically there being an enemy here, but like we're all the way out here. We don't want the enemy to come to us. We want the enemy to go to the base and start attacking it. Because that's like, you're out exploring in the world, nighttime comes, enemies start spawning, you're like, oh shit, let me get back to the base. I mean, like, does that really matter though? Because there's gonna be enemies spawning from this side anyway, which will be coming towards you. So I guess that's not really a problem. Problem solved by not solving it. Yay! Well, I think that's most of the base defense stuff done for now. Real quick, let's get this on the right layer. That's kind of annoying me. The way I'm doing layered sorting is very scuffed, but it, again, who cares? Like, I just have a bunch of constants and then we set the Z layer like that, and then it just magically sorts itself. Yeah! Sweet, dude. Haha, that's sick, bro. One more thing I want to do is get base expansion working properly. So the idea is, as soon as you place this guy, then it'll expand the base out a little bit so you can place another one and then keep doing it that way. So that should be easy enough. We're just going to tweak the algorithm for the get base tile range. And how we're going to do that, we'll just pseudocode it out real quick. So that should be simple enough. The one thing I'm worried about is the looping over walls. Caveman me is inclined to just go like that. Just loop over all the entities. But this is like a get function, so it could get kind of unruly because we're just calling this in a bunch of different spots. I mean, like, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fucking do it. No point prematurely optimizing it. Maybe it's not a problem. I only optimize when I see the problem. I have to keep fucking banging that into my head. This is my personal algorithm for getting things done. Do caveman. Wait until performance bad. Fix with slightly less caveman. Smiley face. Like, that's a good motto to live by. So we're gonna do caveman. So that should just work right there. Or actually, we have to take one and plus one because we want to like put it out a little bit further. Remember the truth? We've got base expansion, baby. One more thing I want to do real quick is make it so that we can actually tear down our base, because right now we just have the destroyer's hammer, but I said I was going to get rid of that because we're already doing this whole thing. So honestly, I think I'm just going to carry that over to the base. So if we attack here, then it's just going to destroy the base. Let's try it out. And there we go. And now we're like manually whacking it down. And I think we'll basically do the inverse of the repair. So everything we haven't already repaired will drop. That way we just give you the resources back if you want to destroy it. So we'll just invert that. And then spawn items at location, pass in the array, give it a location. And I think that monstrosity should do the trick. There we go, look at that. Oh, bro, these slimes are absolutely relentless. Ruthless killers. I need to make that easier. Okay, so now it should only drop a little bit. Yeah, it only gave us a fiber back. Okay, so I think that's workable. All right, that's going to be today's hodgepodge of getting things done. We're one step closer to being able to playtest, which is great. But I think it's going to take one final push tomorrow, so I will see y'all then. Don't forget to like and subscribe.